Hello, today we will guide you through how to embed Behance. To get started, open Behance and go to the For You page. This is a simple way to browse featured work and discover the project you want to embed. If you already know which project you need, you can still begin here and navigate to it from the feed. Take a moment to look through the available projects and make sure you select the exact one you want to share, since the embed code will be tied to that specific project page. Once you've found the right item, click on the desired project to open it. This will take you to the project's full page, where you can view the content in detail and access sharing options. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're on the correct project before moving on, especially if you're embedding it into a website, portfolio, or presentation where accuracy matters. After the project page loads, look for the Share button and click it. This opens the sharing menu for that Behance project. The Share menu is where Behance gives you different ways to distribute or display the project, and for this task, the option you need is the Embed feature. If you don't see it right away, just make sure the Share menu is fully open. Next, click on Copy Embed Code. This is the key step that generates the code snippet used to place the Behance project on another platform, such as a website builder, blog, or custom web page. Behance prepares this code for you automatically, so you don't need to write or edit anything manually at this stage. After that, copy the code. In many cases, clicking the Embed option will automatically place the code on your clipboard. If a code box appears, simply highlight the full code and copy it. Be sure to copy the entire snippet without leaving out any part of it, since even a small missing section can prevent the embed from working correctly. Once copied, the embed code is ready to paste wherever you want the Behance project to appear. As a quick tip, if the embed doesn't display properly later, double-check that the platform you're using supports embedded HTML or iframe content. And that's it. You've successfully copied the Behance embed code and are ready to use it in your site or content.